नमस्कार, माझं नाव प्रेरणा सूर्यवंशी. आज आपण बॅच नॉर्मलायझेशन हा टॉपिक बघणार आहोत. Batch normalization helps us to train the neural network faster, more stable, and with better accuracy. Introduction बघूया. When we train the deep neural networks, sometimes the training becomes slow and unstable because the data keep changing after every layer. This problem is called as the internal covariate shift. आता हे बघा, it keeps the data of each layer balanced and the stable during the training. Because of this, our model learns the faster, performance better, and become less sensitive to initialization. म्हणजेच ते model become more efficient and accurate असणार. After that, concept description. Now let's understand what batch normalization actually means. आता बघूया batch normalization म्हणजे नेमकं काय करतं. It normalize the input of each layer so that they stay in consistent range. Its simple words make sure that the inputs are neither too large or nor too small. हे बघा, after normalization, it slightly adjusts the data using the learnable parameters so that the network learns still effectively. For example, one layer gives very high or one very low values. The next layer may fail to learn the properly. म्हणजे let's see how batch normalization works. म्हणजेच हे नेमकं कसं चालतं ते बघूया. First step, the network takes a small batch of data. Second step, it checks the average and spread of the values. Third one, it adjusts those values to keep them within a stable range. Fourth one, it then slightly scales and shifts the values using the two small adjustable parameters. And last, fifth one is the balanced data is then passed to the next layer. आता हे बघा, this process happens between two layers, usually after the dense or the convolutional layer, and before the activation function. As a result, the training becomes faster and more reliable. Now let's talk about आता आपण challenges आणि limitations बघूयात. Batch normalization need a proper batch size. If the batch is too small, the result may not be more accurate. It also adds the little extra computation and memory usage during the training. The behavior of batch normalization is slightly different during training and testing. आणि हे बघा, it may not work well with the models like recurrent neural network that deal with the sequential data. आता एक छोटीशी समरी बघूयात आपण. Batch normalization is a powerful and widely used technique in deep learning. It helps make the training faster, more suitable, and more accurate. It can reduces the internal covariant shift, allows the higher learning rates, and improve the overall model performance. Though it has some limitation, it remains an important part almost every modern deep learning model like CNN, RNN, and transformers. Thank you so much for listening.